Namaste students. Students, in last class, we have learned addition and subtraction of money and with statement sums also. Okay. Today, now multiplication of money. How to rupees and paisa we can multiply. So we get the product. So, okay. So now today, just look at the board. Multiplication of money. Multiply the following of amounts of money. So here rupees and paisa as to given. So using that, first multiply using it now 36.4 14.14 paisa into 7 multiply. So first we can, so as it is learn to multiply, so that can be do it. Okay, so now 7 into multiply 7 into 4 7 for the 28. So okay, how much carry 2 7 and the 7 7 plus 2 9, put the point. Okay, so next 7 6 the 42, 4 carry 7 3 the 21, 21 plus 4 25, 252 rupees 98 paisa. So we can multiply all the numbers, and then how many numbers are left in the point, put the point, that is also same. Okay, so now look at that. So I hope all of you understand. 7 4 the 28, 2 carry 7 the 7 7 plus 2 9, put the point. 7 6 the 42, 4 carry 7 3 the 21, 21 plus 4 25. Next, second one number. So first paisa multiply 9 6 the 54, 5 carry 9 1 the 9, 9 plus 5 14. How much carry? 1 carry. 9 5 the 45, 45 plus 1 46. Next one 4 carry 9 to the 18, 18 plus 2 22, 2 carry 9 3 the 27, 27 plus 2 29. Sorry, 29. Okay, so how to put the point, Guruji? So here two numbers are left in the point. One number, two number, put the point. Same product we can count it. 1 and 2, put the point. So the answer is 2926 rupees 44 paisa. This is the answer. Okay. So first ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ರೆ ಮುಗೀತು. Okay, so second third one, see one question. 3 for the 12. So using this number, first paisa 1 carry, 3 to the 6, 6 plus 1 7, no carry, 3 5 the 15, 1 carry, 3 7 the 21, 21 plus 1 22, 2 carry, 3 1 the 3, 3 plus 2 7, sorry 3 plus 2 5, 3 plus 2 5, 525 rupees 72 paisa. 525 rupees 72 paisa. Once again I will check. 3 4 the 12, 1 carry, 3 to the 6, 6 plus 1 7, 3 5 the 15, 1 carry, 3 7 the 21, 21 plus 4 22, 1 2 carry, 3 1 the 3, 3 plus 2 5, 525 rupees 72 paisa. So look at that same question, fourth one question. Let me do. Okay, D1 2 0 the 0, 2 1 the 2, put the point. Next 2 6 the 12, 1 carry, 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1 5, 52 rupees 20 paisa. So look at that. So you have to do this type. Okay, so I hope all of you understand. So multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೈಸಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ರುಪೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಬಂದಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪುಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಯಾರಿನ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಕೋತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಡನ್. So next I will go for statement sums. Statement sums, you know that multiplication problems, cost 1 has to be given, so we can multiply number of 1 to many concept. I hope already you can learn this. Okay, one cost of the money, one cost of the object will be given, so we can find out the number of items. So shall I will write one question, statement sum question. Look at that now. Okay, now I am telling about in the multiplication concept, one to many concept. So using that here, so first you can read the question. These type of multiplication problems ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ತವೆ ಅಂತ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ multiplication chapter ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. So now we can using here one to many concept. Okay, if 1 meter of cloth cost is 56 rupees 25 paisa, 1 meter cloth 56 rupees 25 paisa, what is the price of 5 meters of cloth? That is the question. 5 meters of cloth, ಒಂದು ಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಗೆ 56 ರುಪೀಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ 5 ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ? ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಡೈರಿ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ 100 ರುಪೀಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ 5 ಡೈರಿ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 500 ರುಪೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಈಸಿಲಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ 56 rupees 25 paisa, 1 meter cost of cloth, 1 meter cost of cloth is 56 rupees 25 paisa. What is the cost of 5 meters of cloth? Okay, so we can find out the using the multiplication, one to many. So one is what? 1 meters of cost of cloth. The cost of 1 meter, the cost of 1 meter cloth, 1 meter cloth, that cost is what? 56 rupees 25 paisa. So we can find out 5 meters of cloth. 5 meters cloth, 5 meters of cloth equal to, okay, so we can multiply using the multiplication. 5 5 the 25, 2 carry, 5 to the 10, 10 plus 2 12, 1 carry, 5 6 the 30, 30 plus 1 31, 3 carry, 5 5 the 25, 25 plus 3 28. Now put the point how, so we can find out the how many numbers are left in the point in the given digit. So 1 and 2 numbers bit point ittidare, neevu kuda product alli 2 number bit point itbitre ಆಯ್ತು. 281 rupees 25 paisa. This is the answer. So I hope all of you understand one to many concept. Okay, shall I go for next one more example now? Okay, now it is second one question. So we can read the question and then it is one to many concept question. So we can do multiplication. Now look at the board. Vineet bought 3 t-shirts. Vineet bought 3 t-shirts at the rate of 255 rupees 80 paisa each. One t-shirt cost to 255 rupees 80 paisa. One t-shirt cost to, okay, he bought 3 t-shirts. He bought 3 t-shirts. How much did he pay in all? Angadre ಎಷ್ಟು amount ಕೊಟ್ಟವನು? How much money did he pay in all? So 3 t-shirts ಗೆ how much money? What is the cost of one t-shirt? 255 rupees 80 paisa. Okay, I hope all of understand the question. Okay, Vineet bought 3 t-shirts at the rate of 255 rupees 80 paisa each. How much did he pay in all? How much money did he pay in all? Okay, now it is the first cost is the cost of one t-shirt. So find out the answer. The cost of one t-shirt, the cost of one t-shirt is, what is the cost of one t-shirt? 255 rupees 80 paisa. He bought 3 t-shirts. He bought, who is the bought? He bought Vineet. He bought 3 t-shirts. 3 t-shirts equal to, we multiply 3. Find out the answer. 3 0 the 0, 3 8 the 24, 2 carry, 3 5 the 15, 15 plus 2 17, 1 carry, 3 5 the 15, 15 plus 1 16, 1 carry, 3 to the 6, 6 plus 1 7. Okay, now put the point how. So 2 numbers are left in the point. So 2 numbers we can left it. Put the point. 767 rupees 40 paisa. Okay, this is the multiplication of money. Multiplication of money. Okay, so students, so today's your homework is page number 101 and page number 102, exercise 8E and 8 G. Okay, 8th E and 8th F, sorry, not for G, 8th F. So do all the problems. So statement sums I am already done 2. I am already solved 2 problems. Remaining 3 problems you have to do. Remaining 3 problems you have to do in the HW. One time solved in textbook 8th E, exercise 8th E only, and then one time write into the HW. So keep in mind all of this. So work into this way. Okay, exercise 18 ನ one time HW ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ HW ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ 8F, exercise 8F, remaining 3 problems solved in HW. Okay, I hope all of you clear. Okay students, now today's class I hope all of you understand the class now. Okay, uh, okay students, you have to done all the problems. Okay students, dhanyawad, thank you so much.